A torque component can be used to transmit torque between your shaft and your housing, and it's designed to transmit the torque up to a certain torque, and after that torque, it's meant to slip.
And the principle is very simple. As soon as you exceed a certain value of torque, it slips. So instead of being damaged, it will just slip, which means it doesn't require any part replacement or any repair. We call that a overload protection in rotation.
Torque components provide a number of benefits. They provide a stable and consistent torque slip performance. They provide overload protection, which is instantaneous. They reduce system mass, allowing for component downsizing. And the spring properties accommodate tolerances and thermal expansion. You'll find torque components in stator mounts, oil pumps, starter generators, ABS, water pumps, EV vehicle motors, brake boosters, and a variety of other automotive applications, although they're not exclusively for that industry and that sector, and we're hoping to open up the applications further in the future.